Carry play.
Hmm.
Ano tong Bangkok? Yun na, ayoko yan. Floors have teeth.
Sige, 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 sige.
Nia,
Join kita,
nag-join
join
ka
kita,
na
join
sa
kita, join
VC.
kita. Join kita.
Mag-join ka na sa VC, dyan ako nagtatawag.
Join mo ako, Lee. Nandito kami.
If you see na you see parties, even if you join, ay, yeah. Gusto mo magsali?
Sino? Nag-join?
Si Vixen ata.
Anong
Who's
si Vixen?
this?
Si Vixen. Oh, si Vixen.
Ano yan? Create ka ng ano?
Babae. Oh,
O, sino gagawa ng party?
Mia, do you wanna... Me.
Ako na lang. No, me.
Sino ba?
Mia, do you wanna join? You want to?
Create. Oh,
Sige.
join if you want.
Ang magawa.
Oh,
Private.
1-1. Hindi, ako na. Ako na
The
lang.
code is 791.
791.
Gagi.
7.
May code pa pala.
Hmm.
May gano'n.
Oh.
Uy, kinik mo ko.
Hindi. Ganun talaga. It's just like a glitch. Ganun. Magano ka
Ah.
ulit. Glitch lang yan. Huwag ka mag-join ulit. Kasi di makapasok si Nia kung nag-join ka ulit.
Sige, sige na. Okay.
Sino to si... Ay, ikaw yan, Nia. Why is your name Skibidi Sigma Feet, bro?
Huh?
My cousin changed it.
Did you join na sa party ko?
Yeah.
Yes.
Wait a minute, nag-leave ako.
Ikaw.
Wait,
Si Nia. Nia, did you join?
What the fuck? Got kicked.
I
No,
can't
wait.
join.
Ulit na nga kasi itong ano ka nga.
791.
Hindi, you can
791.
join kasi 791. Just join once. Don't join again. Kasi glitch lang yun
Okay.
ha.
Okay,
Yan.
done.
Start. Oh. Ayos. Ayos. Just join once. Okay na.
Mm. Okay.
Still to maging big back dito kasi may tabat choy dito.
Ito na tumuso.
Lapit na na. So, anong laro to?
Big back.
What do we do
Gusto mo
here?
maging big back dito? Kasi may tabat choy dito sa game mo. Gusto mo? Gusto mo? Gusto mo?
Start.
Pwede yan. Pwede yan kasi kamatsing mo, oh. Select ko lang. Up.
Sige.
The... Always confused. Ayun. Play.
Oh. Oh.
Okay. Select character. Sige, select Wait lang. May itim ba? Ayun.
Oh, may team. Yung tabat choy. Tas
Ay,
yung...
gagi. Sige, tabatchoy na lang ako.
hindi. Hindi. Very tabat choy at yung ano. Yung ano.
Okay, let's go. Easy game. Tapos ko na.
Love.
Uy, bilisan. Bilis naman ito. Kung mag-spawn. Oh, parang lang ganito eh. Bilis-bilis. Oh,
Tell me why ain't nothing but love.
ito oh. Ito ata. No?
Sino?
No. Ito. Yo! Ano to? Who are you? Who am
Sino
I
yung
looking
ano?
at? Sino to?
Sino nga yung ano?
Bro, who is this?
Who is who?
Ikaw ba yan?
Who?
Nasaan ba kayo?
May
Kita mo,
intro pa ako eh. Wait
nag-stop.
lang, may intro pa ako.
Intro pa rin eh. Maghintay ka lang.
Kalma lang muna, kalma. Everybody chillax, okay? Uy, yan na. Can you see me? I'm the tabachoy. Uy! Hello? Or are we in different spots?
No.
Bro, where you at?
Mag-load na ba kaya?
Are you lost?
Sino to?
Gagi, are you lost?
You should
Sino yung
stay
tabachoy?
You should stay out of this. This is me, bro. This is
Sino
me.
yung tabachoy?
I'd rather
Okay.
choose this one than the guy who looks like... who's
Gusto
looking-
mo makita yung tsura mo?
That's okay, man.
Nasaan na yung
Bro.
dalawa?
Ah, nandito sila.
Just trick.
Saan?
O, yung dalawang bakla. Wait lang.
Abo.
Oh,
Ba't ganun ang avatar niyo? Pwede na yung palit eh. Who's the one crawling, bro?
You know what I
Dapat
need? I want those chicken nuggets. Okay.
Sa akin yan.
Ano, bro?
Sa akin yan.
Akin yun.
Pahingin na.
Okay, follow me.
Okay, I follow you.
Bilisan mo.
Everybody. Ang tatangkad nila. Ayos, tol.
Tignan mo, lit mo.
Wait lang mga lods, may ako nakita.
Oh,
Wait lang, lods. Balik tayo. Lods? Kamusta kayong lahat? Okay lang ba kayo lahat? Saan kayo pumunta? Lods!
Who's following me?
Okay,
Who's the one
Marcy,
behind
follow
me?
me. Dito, merong...
Ano?
ayan, alam ko to.
homeless man.
Parang ikaw.
Another...
Oh.
Ako?
Hindi.
I'm probably homeless as well in the future
Ito.
anyway.
Okay,
Find a way to
speedrun.
Bob Jones.
Frank, is that you?
Gagi!
Who is the...
Who are you and what are you doing here?
Tagal?
Who's your friend, you psycho?
Oh,
Who's your friend? Your
No.
psycho? Ano pang si Bob?
Jack, long time no see.
Long time no see.
Anyway, Bob asked me to give you the key to his apartment. Wait, you
Okay.
kinda sound like Frank. Frank, is that you?
bruh, no.
No.
Run. No, get the key. How do you get the key?
Okay. We open.
I just acquired the
Ayun, oh.
apartment key.
Nasaan si Bob?
I wonder what channel that is. And this is. I cannot leave here.
Haven't
Oh,
seen
no.
you for a while now. Haven't forgotten me, have you?
Nangyari sa'yo.
I would sure appreciate you doing me a favor.
Okay.
Recently,
Okay.
there has been some new cereal all over the TV. Would you get it for me?
Cereal.
Cereal lang. Kala ko siya.
Oh. Go, got it on the way.
I'm sorry, but my mind is kind of straying off these days.
Too much wine.
Why?
Yes, I can do that.
I knew I could count on you.
Look, I know why he's like that. Look at the table. There's some wine over there.
Yeah.
Oh, naka-lock. Cannot leave yet. Alright, let's go guys. Ito,
Bobo.
Ba't nagmamadali kayo? Parang...
kasi nalaro ko na to.
Gagi.
Hindi ikaw na lang mag-lead, oh.
Oh,
Right click for light. Saan pupunta?
Ayun, pusang gala, may ilaw pala.
Right click.
yun.
Taba nito. Why are you floating?
Get
don't
in
know.
your car and drive to nearest. Why is the grammar? in this
Yeah, which
game
one is
crazy?
you, Brody?
Right.
Bro, pwede ka mag-select ng character. Now we have two people. So it's the same character.
Yung naka-white. Do.
Who is this guy?
Ito ba? Oo nga, nakasando. Open.
I like the The style of this game.
That will be
Yes.
$3.50.
Mahal naman.
What the
If you don't like the prices, you can go get it somewhere else.
200 pesos for some cereal?
Yeah.
You better watch out around this area. Many people have been going missing here.
Bro. Just want the cereal.
Give me cereal so I can go. What is wrong with you?
Taba.
I like cereal.
Why are we standing on the road?
Oy. Iba na to.
Malamang.
Huh?
Let's
Why are
go.
we here? Tapos bigla kailangan pala natin tumakbo na.
No, wrong way. My bad.
Oh.
Gagi?
Sorry, my bad.
Uy,
Wrong
dito.
way.
Uy, dito. Guys.
Saan mga tol?
Wait,
Saan?
Kita kita, Chester.
Oh, yung mata.
saan ba?
Sino ka ba? Ito ka ba?
Is
Ito,
this
yung
just
naka-
trip?
Takot.
Ah, so ito si Nia.
Yeah.
Ito spam ng flashlight. Ako yun.
Right.
Right
Spam
click.
ng flashlight.
Tignan mo si Justin.
Wait lang.
Ang laki ng puwet.
You like the bakery?
Hell no, man.
I'm joking.
No, you're crazy, bro.
It's a joke. Past it, man. Cut the shit out.
Hoy!
Oh yes.
Okay.
So, muna, sige.
Yeah, bit. Like, we're in like a compound type shit.
Just
Keep
look
on
out.
the fence.
Tignan mo dito.
Uh-huh. Who the hell is that? Why is he so
There's a
tall?
kid.
You know this is the common monster-like figure. Oh yeah.
Dog food.
Dog food. Wait lang. May nag-message sa akin.
Okay.
Okay. Some hidden tunnel. Nice.
Wow.
I hear my mom sing.
Alam ko yung
Ma, ikaw ba kumakanta?
Wag mag-cheat, wag mag-cheat. Don't cheat, man.
chichit na ako. Eh, joke
Wait lang,
lang.
wait lang.
Hindi,
wait lang.
kasi iba yung mga code. Bubu. Click on the paper.
Ito, oh, tingnan nyo yung
Circle 2, cube 7, iba na iba.
sir. Di ko naman kita-kita yung numbers. Aba, ano to?
Ano bang nakasulat dito?
Selected yung laro. Warning. Gusto ko HD.
Optimum Prime.
So, ang gagawin natin?
Don't know. Ko alam.
Nag-cheat ka lang, no?
Hindi.
O si
Parang
Marvin.
cheat. Kasi natapos naman, natapos na.
Matagal na.
Circle star heart.
Got you.
Circle Star Heart.
Circle star heart.
Okay.
Ano sabi yung papel?
Okay, thanks.
I-click mo lang.
Okay, thanks.
215.
Oh, ang bilis
Yes,
naman.
sir. Got it.
Okay. Pen.
Nice.
Optimum Prime. Optimum
Balik sa
Prime.
bahay. Kanina pa kinakain ng aso yun, ah. Must be real good.
Yan. Oo, ayaw mo. Kaso lang yan.
I care about
Right,
dogs.
let's go guys. I like cats. Okay, dito. To, magkakabulan na tayo dito. Just to let you know.
Lo, may ano, spoiler pa? Gagi talaga.
Just to let you know.
Optimum Prime. He wants that. He wants that Derek. Can you wait lang? May nag-chat sa akin.
Mga lods. Have you
Ang
seen
batot na
something?
naman si Sian! Ang gusto mo?
Skibidi.
Yan
Oh.
lang?
Wala play ang that game.
Nigga, I'm playing. A horror game.
Hindi.
Floor hunting.
Oo.
What do you do in that?
Hindi.
Malamang.
Patay ka na agad?
I forgot.
Yes.
Malamang, ano?
Ulong.
Wanna play hide and seek in Arsenal?
Lods, mamaya na.
Ulong
Kasama
po.
yung mga dalawang gaga.
Sino yung dalawang gaga?
Basta, kung sino nag-join sa VC, okay na.
Tulungan mo naman ako.
Okay, bye-bye.
Oh.
Bye-bye.
Ako.
Hindi kayo,
Ay,
kasi yan.
kala ko kung ano.
Ah.
Kala ko iwanan na tayo.
Eh,
Naging sad tuloy
oo,
ako.
na eh.
Gagi.
Akala mo iiwan
Tulong
ko
lang
kayo.
yun.
Oo na,
Oo.
kulit na ito.
Tulong naman.
Hotdog!
Aba.
Di pwede ka pumasok. Bobo ka.
I'm trapped.
Where are you guys type shit? I haven't seen
Yo,
this
take-
father.
Tell me why. Ain't nothing but a heartache.
Tatakbo kayo.
Hindi pa ako
Guys, running.
kanina.
Alam mo na paano maglaro to, di ba?
Oh.
Okay, close it!
Ay.
Oh my
Sila.
god,
Pala.
bro. Don't scare me like that. Punch you in the face. A haymaker one.
We
God
need
damn it.
hammer.
Where is he? Oh my god!
Oh.
I hide!
Clock? Uy, kalma. Uy, kalma. Kalma. Kalma, boy.
Ang sarap.
Bakit?
Sakit ng paa ko. Oh.
Wala na. Wala na siya.
Sino
Sarap
sa?
tao.
Oo.
Uy! Gagi!
Hindi. Nandito pa rin.
What? Saan? Pugi na lang!
Skibidi skibidi.
Kapatay ka na yun. Babarilin ko na yun. Ayoko lumabas.
Oh,
Ayoko
wow,
lumabas.
wow.
Ayoko lumabas. Guys, ayoko
I
lumabas.
want
Aray.
How do I save you
Alright.
guys? You just died and
We need to
it's
have the
that?
hammer. We need the hammer for downstairs.
So ako na lang naiwan?
Hindi, ako nandito pa rin. We just need to open the door for them.
Nandito yung halimaw.
Yes, Nia. Cooking ina ka. Diba, buhay? Panis. Mama! Yo! Huy! Kala mo.
Iba yung mga tunog na yun.
Bobo na ito. Lumabas na kayo!
Sarado mo, apa. Sarado mo.
Ano si Dia? Gaga.
Sarado mo yun.
Scaring
Aba.
me, oh.
Alright.
Oh no! This is not for Okay. I ain't scared. Where you at? Hell yeah.
Champorado, sinigang, loop.
No, bro. Where you at? Hello.
Tornado.
Grabe si Tol eh.
Bro, why aren't you guys using the screwdriver?
What do you mean?
Are you guys downstairs?
Oh, bro.
The doorknob.
Open this shit.
Bro, give me a hammer, bro. Need a hammer.
Help me, oh.
Martilyo. Kailangan natin, martilyo. Oh,
Okay,
I got the hammer, yo.
buksan.
edi.
Tulungan mo ako dito.
Oh yeah, I'm gone.
Wow, si boy. I-check if ano.
Oh my
Bilis
God,
ako.
parang may narinig ako eh.
Maghintay ka lang ang tanga
Saan ka ba?
nito.
Gagi! Gagi! Tulong! Bangalan! No! No! No!
I can no longer remember which day it was in order. I'm slowly stopping to feel my body, but these three numbers in my head all the time. Wait, three numbers! Radio 133. We need to go to the radio and put 133.
I don't like this game. I hate this game, yo.
Are you stuck inside?
Oh my God.
Oh my god.
Gago ka talaga.
Takot mo ako.
Can you
133.
stop
We need to go to the
fuck out
radio.
of me? I understand what you want.
3,000 1,000 na yan eh.
133 nga.
Gagi! No 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 no. Yup! 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 I'm dead! I died.
Kasi just ano. I'll get you just wait.
Ito lang. Pagod na pagod.
Isan mo!
Lods! Saan
Tago
tayo
muna,
mga
tago,
Lods?
tago, tago, tago. Tago muna, tago. Tago-taguan. Damn, you tall as fuck.
Wait, di ako mak...
Hinga ka, babahinga ka. Ginang. Ginang. Ginang.
Gagi talagang yung ano, yung aking ano, ano ang tawag natin dito? Yung takot ko wala akong maisip kanina, gagi talaga. Parang nawalan ng oxygen sa ulo ko. Lupit. Saan ka napunta?
Kwarto. We need
No,
the key.
please. Saan kayo, please? Where are you guys?
Guys, we need the key.
Guys? Guys?
Malakad. Puking ina ko yung... Ako tayo sa toilet! Hide!
Oh yeah!
Sino naluto to? Parang konti lang na.
Saan?
Isa na lang, okay.
Oh my
Thank
God,
you very
no?
much.
Pansit.
May pancit ako.
Okay, pwede na
Pahinga.
bang lumabas, mga lods?
Pwede na.
Oo. Pwede na.
Okay.
You remember, when you go to the radio, lagay mo 133.
Okay. 133.
3.
3. 3. Enter.
Parang 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3.
May lock dito. Just to let you know.
Oh my fucking.
Can't tell anong code.
Okay lang. 1, 3,
So
3.
just,
1, 3, 3.
hindi.
Yun lang.
Hindi yan.
Sabi ko, radio!
It's not
I know.
this one,
I
yo.
mean lock.
What?
Ay, nag-
Don't come here. You come here, we'll kill you, bro. We'll kill him and you. Don't bring him here.
Oy, ba't ako?
Oh boy. Dadalhin pa dito. Gago ka ba? Kupal ka ba, boss? Ayokong mamatay. May asma ako. May asma ako, mga tol. Okay? Kalma lang.
Parehas tayo may asthma.
Yes. Ay! Oh, yeah! Holy!
Wala ko pa mag-vlogger.
Bakit? Ano nangyari sa'yo?